Hello friends, welcome to my new video. In this video, we learn about VLookup function key. It is my first video on function key. So let's go. You can use the VLookup function key to search the first column of a range of a set and then return a value from any cell on the same row of the range. For example, suppose that you have a list of employees contained in the range A2 to AC10 or E10. The employee ID number are stored in the first column of the range as shown in the following illustration. In this data, you see that employee ID number is this, department, full name, number and location. We go to the next sheet. First copy the heading of this and in sheet 2 paste it. Okay, first write the first employee ID, this 100, copy that, and sheet 2 paste it. Okay, in department we look up formula from formulas and go to lookup and reference and click on the VLookup option. This is in lookup value. You can select this. In table array, go to sheet 1 and select whole table and whole index number. Write the which number it is 2 to put and click on the OK. You see that first employee ID is 103456. Its department is sales. I can't write in the department option. It automatically write it by using VLookup formula. Department initial is same. Okay, let's do next. In this we can all and repeat whole process in department, but in the core index number we can write 3. Right? Go to lookup reference, VLookup, lookup value, this table array, select whole table, core index number is 3 and click on look. You see that name is written. Okay, number, repeat. In call index number we can write 4 because it's 4th column. Number is written. Repeat it one more time. It is last time. In cold index number, we can write 5 because it's fifth column. You see that whole information is written. Okay, let's check it. Write ID of which I can write this ID, 10th ID, 100 3464. 100 3464. You see that whole information are there. Same. It is help us like you have many of persons or employee details. You can find one, only one. You can want to know it's his her details. Okay, VLookup is used in this. You can only know its employee. It is in the iCard of his or her, like the employee, and whole information is there. Thank you for watching my video. Please like, comment and share this video. If you not seen my other video, link in the description. Go there and see them. If you new in this channel, please subscribe my channel.
Better understand my video, please like, comment and subscribe and click on bell icon for my latest notification.